We have gathered here today to witness the beginning of a marriage. Weddings are glorious occasions. We see two people come together and something magical happens and they become one. It's a time for tears. It's also a time for laughter and celebration. Most of the time when you go to a wedding, you don't know whether to laugh, cry, clap, or shout or pray. All of it happens at a wedding. Because there's family and friends, and two terrific young people who fell in love from their perspective, seemingly from out of nowhere. Wow, there they are. There's the one I've been waiting for, the one I've been praying for. And we are here to draw on the strength of their commitment and love to one another. And that's a fabulous thing. And so we are here to say a quiet Amen. Amen.